The increasing militarization of law enforcement is not a strategy that we endorse. We must give law enforcement the tools they need to be effective. We will focus on properly equipping our police and the justice system with the legislation, the tools, the technology, and the human resources to carry out their work. Those who choose a life of badness and won't change their ways will face severe consequences. We'll be resolute in coming down on those who insist on perpetuating evil in the society. From the law enforcement's perspective, what is needed now is carefully designed legislation that allows a spearfishing approach, enabling the effective prosecution of dangerous criminals, not casting a wide net that makes the many who are good suffer for the few who are bad. I have already designed the essential elements of legislation to enable the police to take dangerous criminals off the street for a reasonable period of time. I have suggested 42 days under a court-supervised process that allows a prosecutable case to be built where there is credible intelligence that needs to be turned into evidence.